how are you all? I hope absolutely fantastic because I am, and that's because I'm in Singapore. I've landed just today morning and I came via Singapore Airlines. क्या मज़ेदार फ्लाइट थी, so comfortable. Of course there was a little bit of turbulence when we were taking off क्योंकि बॉम्बे में बहुत ही तगड़ा मॉनसून चल रहा है. But otherwise it was such a smooth flight. The seats were really nice and comfortable. A lot of leg space. The food was good. Everything was just fantastic, and thus we were not as tired as we would be in a 5-hour flight journey. Landed today morning. उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा घर पे किया आराम, थोड़ा री-एनर्जाइज हुए शाम के लिए. What better day than today to be here in Singapore क्योंकि आज also happens to be the 54th Singapore National Day and बहुत ही सुंदर firework होने वाला है in Marina Bay Sands. So we are headed there right now. Well, wasn't that beautiful? I love watching fireworks, no matter what, चाहे वो 2 सेकंड का ही क्यों ना हो. So I thoroughly enjoyed watching it. So I've now come to Port Key for having some dinner. ये जो है आपका क्लार्क की के पास में ही है. Again, very beautiful. They've got a lot of outside sitting area. Good young crowd and खाना वाना खाएंगे आज कुछ अच्छा. बहुत भूख लग रही है, कहते कब से चल रहे हैं. डिनर डन, मज़ा आ गया खाना खा के. सिंगापुर में आके हमने इंडियन खाना खाया है. आज डे 1 था. अदर डेज वील ट्राई सम अदर क्विजीन्स एज वेल. दिस इज एंड ऑफ डे 1 ऑफ माई सिंगापुर ट्रिप. कल हम निकलने वाले हैं मलेशिया के लिए. दैट्स गोइंग टू बी अ सेपरेट ब्लॉग ऑल टुगेदर. आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द सिंगापुर ब्लॉग फ्रॉम द डे वी आर बैक हियर. Hi guys, what's up? आज मैं आई हूँ सिंगापुर ज़ू. You should definitely visit if you come to Singapore. Actually, Mandai area में there are quite a few things that you can check out. एक है आपका सिंगापुर ज़ू, एक है Amazon River Safari और एक है Night Safari. So these 3 things should be on your list when you come to visit to Singapore. पहले घूम चुकी हूँ मैं ये, but this time अपनी नानी को घुमाने लाई हूँ और पिछली बार आई थी तो vlog नहीं करती थी. अब vlog करती हूँ तो आपको भी दिखाऊंगी सिंगापुर ज़ू. So let's check out this place. Right now we are sitting in the tram. This is the first tram stop. And ये जो है आपको पूरा ये orange जो path दिख रहा है इससे ये आपको घुमाएगा. So there are 4 stops. So this is the first stop. Then there is stop 2 here. There's stop 3 that's here. 4 is here. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई भी स्टॉप पे उतर के देन यू कैन एक्सप्लोर दैट एरिया एंड देन बोर्ड द ट्रैम, गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेशन, उतरो वहाँ पे, वहाँ के एनिमल्स वगैरह देखो. सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन एक्सप्लोर द होल ज़ू. सिर्फ अगर आप ट्रैम में बैठे रहे तो ज़्यादा एनिमल्स नहीं दिख रहे हैं ट्रैम में. सो आई वुडंट रियली सजेस्ट डूइंग दैट. सो प्लीज़ गेट डाउन ऑन ट्रैम स्टॉप्स एंड चेक आउट ऑल द एनिमल्स. is the end of Singapore Zoo. Guys, I'm telling you, अगर आप जब भी सिंगापुर आओ, please Singapore Zoo ज़रूर check out करना. Also check out the Amazon River Safari and the Night Safari. These three are kind of on the same lines, but the experience is completely different. So please check all these three out. Whenever you come here, just make sure that you have good 2-3 hours in hand कि आप आराम से सब देख सको, घूम सको. Probably try and come in the morning ताकि आपके दिन के first half में ये खत्म हो जाए. The Singapore Zoo घूमना. You can also see the shows that are conducted. They are definitely worth watching. मैं जब last time आई थी तब मैंने देखा था. इस time मैं थोड़ा late आई हूँ तो सारे shows खत्म हो चुके थे. Come accordingly and then you take some break in between, कुछ खा पी लेना and then immediately you can go for night safari, which is again right across the Singapore Zoo. So you can finish these two things in one day. That is if you're young and can walk and all. अगर नहीं तो आप 2 अलग-अलग दिन भी कर सकते हो क्योंकि काफी चलना होता है. I will definitely put that across that you have to walk a lot. Just keep that in mind. Wear your most comfortable footwear when you come here. Hey guys, what's up? मैं आज आई हूँ Jurong Bird Park. First time I'm coming here. I don't know how it is, but so far it's pretty beautiful. Unfortunately, मेरे कैमरा की बैटरी बहुत ही low है, and I forgot to carry the extra battery. So let's see how much of it can I actually film. Wow. Back home. Like honestly, I feel so stupid for not carrying the extra battery, and that's one thing about Canon G7X Mark II कि उसकी जो एक बैटरी है वो ज़्यादा लास्ट नहीं करती है. It will last you maximum 40 minutes. I did record a bit from my phone. जैसी recording आई है, I hope it's turned out good. I'll definitely advise you guys that when you come to Jurong Bird Park, आराम से देखो इसे. Now the thing with bird parks is that जो बड़े-बड़े birds हैं जैसे flamingos and the swans and all, you can see them. In fact, you can see them a lot. But the rare species like they had those vultures and eagles and owls, ये थोड़ा locate करना मुश्किल हो जाता है because they're in this big, huge, humongous cages. They are sitting in some corners somewhere, so you can't really locate them. And there were few really beautiful species of bird which were so colorful. I think parrots. I don't know what they were exactly, but there's a special area for them. So you just walk through it. Again, it's a huge area, so you have to literally spot them where they are, and you can hear them chirp quite clearly. But वो कहाँ बैठे हैं, locate करना उनको, कौन सा bird क्या है, that can get a little like out of the hand. Otherwise, when you locate them, when you see them, you're like, oh, so cute, and then capture them before they fly off somewhere else. You can also feed them. For $2 Singapore you get the bird feed. So you just hold it in their hand, they'll come sit on you and you can just feed them. So that's nice. Other than that, there are few shows that take place. I attended 2 of them. Overall, it was good. It's not as big as compared to the Singapore Zoo. If you have kids, take them there, they'll thoroughly enjoy it. So I thoroughly enjoyed, and so did my mom and my nannies. It was a good experience.